here like everybody else, but it's all good. It's a trunk build, man. It's hard to do hair tricks in the trunk.
I already did the trunk.
I'm ready. Why angle? Just curious.
Just help with numbers.
Louder?
Yeah.
Plus, even if it's louder on numbers, it's also louder on music, man.
Yeah. It's about a half decibel difference.
By having it sideways over back. Really?
Awesome. Yeah.
Changes.
Yeah, lithium doors, half on.
All right, windows up. Do a quick intro real quick if you could.
All right, well I'm waiting to cut that on because I got hellacious engine noise. Got two SCAR VXF 12s on a Crescendo 5500 at half ohm with 22 amp hours of Proto lithium and a CES 250 alternator. And then in the doors I got altogether 8 DB drive 6.5s, 2 DB drive 8s, DS18 horn, and a DB drive super tweeter.
Okay. And going from a single 18 to now the 2 subs, did you gain or lose?
Lose.
So you're not as loud.
Right.
Okay.
It's about a decibel and a half less than what it was with the 18.
Okay. But is it more musical, you think, or do you still like the 18 more?
I still like the 18
You do?
better.
Okay. All right.
Hopefully I'm about to upgrade and go to 215s of some kind.
Okay. All right, I'm ready.
You roll the window down.
Sure.
You did it to yourself. Now you're all by yourself. Acting like you hate me. I love you because you made me. You played me to the left. Now there's nobody left to hear your complaining. I'm gone, and all you're hearing is your own.
It definitely doesn't. It seems like it plays the high notes pretty well, but the lows is not as authority.
No, not as much authority on the lows.
Yeah.
Which is bad because my car peaks at 32.
It peaks at 32. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Brandon Shockley.
Brandon. Thank you, Brandon Shockley. All right. Can I see the alternator?
Oh, yeah.
And this is a Nissan
2016 Nissan Sentra.
Sentra. All right. Thanks, Brandon. Also, can I get a picture? I forgot to take a picture.
Can't move hair like everybody else, but
It's all good. It's a trunk build, man. It's hard to do hair tricks in the trunk.
I already tried.
Nobody's near you.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.